Hey guys, David Beliveau here with a speed painting today, and I want to talk my way through it with you guys. The first thing that I did, first of all, I pick up my picture that I wanted to practice on. This is a photo study, and there was a lot of red and a lot of grays in the picture, so I decided to go and first establish a flat color with a texture brush, and I decided to take the green color. The green color is the complementary color of the red orange tones that were in the picture, and the fact that I put that at first and just let a little bit of that texture pass through the whole painting process, it just gave me just a little bit more of that color harmony that I was looking for. So that's a great trick when you start any kind of painting, even if it's a photo study. Try to start with the flat color that will be just harmonize the colors of the picture that you choose from. In my case, the complementary color was the green, so the green was the choice. The important part to do in a photo study when you start directly with color is to make sure at first that you just place the big proportions first. What I mean is I'm not going to go through in details at first. I'm just going to try to place the face and the cap and the hands and the arm and the hair to make sure that I have just the big patches there. And actually in this case, as you can just saw, I had to replace it actually twice because I went too fast. I should have took more of my time and just place the big patches, the face, the arm, and the cap before I go through all the small details. Once the big portion of the illustration or the photo study are placed, I make sure that the lighting is okay. So I'm having a really close look of where is the light coming from, where's the light source, and I'm trying to place the value in consideration of that light source. Photo studies for me are a really great way to just have fun with texture brushes. I'm not trying here to have a really polished illustration. I'm just trying to get the feeling of the illustration itself, of the photo itself, without having to go into a pure realism. A great way to make sure that you stay on track with all the proportion is keep on squinting at your image or make it very small on your canvas. When you're able to read an image very small, if you're able to read just the shape of the image, it means that it's well proportionate and that you are actually following the photo itself. I like to consider my photo studies, usually when I start from color, I like a little bit like they were a sculpture of some sort. I'm not trying to stress too much if it's not perfect, and I can't replace everything like it would be some Play-Doh basically. I'm trying to sculpt and just make sure that the form is getting alive with each strokes, but I try to not stress about the final outcome from the beginning. With the photo study almost done, I decided to add a little bit more green on top of the image just to bring back that complementary color that obviously got a little bit lost during the whole process of the illustration. And that's it, guys. I know this is not much. It was a small speed painting. It was practice for me, but I really wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. In the meantime, I'm working also on a bigger class about portraiture. If you want to make sure to not miss the date of the release of the class, you can subscribe right now, and I'll make sure to send an email to everybody that is on the mailing list or is following us on YouTube. In any case, I wish you a good day and happy painting.